Hello everyone, welcome you back. Here I will try to give a brief discussion from 1D array, 2D array, then 3D array. Right. So let's start the video. So this is one of the 1D array, right? So in 1D array, how we store? We can store it in column wise or row wise. It doesn't affect, right? So we can store it like A0, then A1, A2 in this fashion. There is no there is only one row is there, no column is there. Like this is one of the just one column, so that will not have any impact whether we store it in row wise or column wise. So let's see how to calculate the address if it is given in this fashion, okay, in 1D array. So let's try a question with a bit of variety. Okay, so we have given the base address is 1500, okay, and the array is a, like this is starting from -5 to 5. So first of all you need to understand what is this. Don't think like it is an 2D array. It is a single dimensional array, but here the range is given. The range implies like the first index is starting from -5 and the last index is 5. Okay, so if the single case is given like from A10, this kind of thing is given, then you can take by default as from 0 it is starting and from for 10 it is ending. But I am taking this case because all those cases, like if the directly given the how many number of elements are there, then those all cases will come under this category, right? So let's try to understand how to solve this question. So the array boundaries are given. The first index is starting from -5, the last index is at +5. So let's calculate how many number of elements are there. So then -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these many number of elements are there. Calculate like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total 11 number of elements are there. So how to calculate? There is a formula. You must know that if the lower bound is given and the upper bound is given, to find out how many total number of elements are there, you can do this like upper bound minus lower bound plus 1. Okay, so in this case, taking this example, the upper bound is 5 minus the lower bound is -5 plus 1. We are getting how much? 11. So 11 number of elements are there. So this is the thing you need to realize or understand. Okay, so this will play a very big role in upcoming questions. Just imagine if it is given that, take one example, the array is given and it is starting from -5 and the highest bound, the upper bound is 5. So from this formula we are getting the total 11 number of elements are there in the array. So it is asking us what is the address of one index element, right? What is the address of first index element, one index element? So the base address is given to us is 1100. So what is the base address? The base address is the address in which the first element of the array is stored. So for finding A1, let's take one example. Okay, so this is our array, like from -5 it is starting, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, then 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so A1, we need to find out the address of this element, right? To find out the address of this element, this is given to us like 1100 is given to us. This is the base address. So first we need to find out like how many elements we traversed. Look at this. For finding out the 1th element, till what index we need to traverse? Till 0. So which index is asking for you? Till the previous element, like here 1 is asking and 0 is its previous element. So till 0, how many number of elements are there? We need to first calculate that. So any type, like it may be 2D array, 3D array, or 1D array. We need to first count how many number of elements are before that element. Okay, so we need to find out how many number of elements are before the asking index. Here the asking index is 1, so we need to find out till 0 how many number of index from the lower bound is present. So this will be the first point. Before solving any of these questions, you need to find out this. So here the lower bound is -4 and the upper bound is 0, let's assume. So I need to calculate how many total number of elements are there. So I can use this formula again. So 0 minus of -5 plus 1, so I am getting 6. So before reaching here, we need to traverse 6 number of elements, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so if size of each element, let's assume 2. Okay, so how many number of elements I traversed? 6 number of elements, and 2 is each size. Okay, so here 12 byte is get consumed, plus the address of the first element is given 1100. So we can get that 1112 is the address of this element. Let's see that 1100, 1102, 1104, this one will be 1106, this one will be 1108, 1110. Now this one will 1112. So we need to find out this. The question is asking that what is the address of the 1th index, right? This is, it is asking, so we can get that this is 1112.